San Francisco is losing its position as the leader. Uber is initiating construction, 2 million square feet of it. Bengaluru gets 1.1 million square feet. Nanak Kramaguda takes 900,000. They are, of course, locking in 9,600 engineers across Bengaluru and Hyderabad. Core platform systems, machine learning, advanced mobility technology. We are, of course, now starting to look at their largest engineering fortress outside of the United States. The conversation is unapologetically conveying that India is the new global engine room, and they need our brains to build global dominance. Now, of course, to focus our attention on Andhra Pradesh. Dara Khosrowa Shahi is meeting with Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu and IT Minister Nara Lokesh to talk about the future of urban transportation. Vizag is expected to get a massive upgrade. The Center of Excellence is all set to expand. Uber has officially crowned the state as a strong talent hub. On top of that, they of course also mention the Q word, which is quantum. Amravati's emerging quantum technology ecosystem is actually the real attraction. Uber wants to run advanced logistics management algorithms on quantum machines, zero latency dispatch, perfected routes, total mobility innovation. The so-called winner of the ride wars wants to actually predict our commute before we even wake up. And now, of course, for us to switch gears to the streets, Dara books an Uber moto. He throws Divine's Calm 25 on the reel. It is actually a calculated flex. They are hunting the 20-something demographic. Bikes, autos, cost-sensitive options. High volume ride density probably is the aim. To survive the Indian street fight, one of course needs scale. Uber has pumped in roughly 3,000 crore rupees into its India unit earlier this year. They are of course now starting to bleed cash to demolish the competition. And now of course comes the ultimate power play. A brand new data center partnership with the Adani Group. AI workloads, real-time analytics, server racks humming with your daily routes. So what do we get? Skill development, programs, tech jobs, cheaper rides. If you're wondering, what do they get? Well, every single data point of our lives. The trillion-dollar dream is unfolding right here in our backyards. What they want is to own the Bharat commute. The clock, of course, is now starting to tick towards the 2027 completion date. We need to buckle up. And we also need to understand from you, what are your thoughts in the comments below? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.